Welcome back to Daytime Live. So I'm here with Nisha and Shot.
I need to wear my heels. I have on sneakers, guys.
So anyway, we spoke earlier about going to places to beat the heat this summer. But what better place than the Blue Mountains? Now, Nam and Jam inside Hollywell National Park at the Blue Brew Bistro. I changed to say that fast 3 times.
Yeah, I know.
So they're here to tell us about some of their refreshing summer drinks and more. And there's a co-owner, the man himself. It's Jovan Yap, right?
Yes, sir.
Jovan,
How you
tell
doing?
us how to beat the heat. Tell us about the Blue Brew Bistro.
No, hold on. Firstly, I'd like to say congratulations on a year in operation.
Thank you.
First of all, what is it like, don't say cold, working in Blue Mountain?
Chilly.
What's it like? Don't say cold. Cold?
Cowl, yeah.
Yeah,
It is?
see? I knew it.
Yeah, especially in the winter time. You know, December, January, February gets
Right.
really cold and we kind of have to,
Layer
Yeah,
up in
you
it.
Layer
have
up.
to, you really have to dress the part.
yeah. Even though we're kind of inside semi, but it's pretty cold.
It is.
Yeah.
It is.
Congratulations.
Tell us
Thank you,
about
thank
your
you.
food menu. I heard that it's sensational.
All right, so we kind of try to keep it as close to the park as possible because I've been going there for years, and people tend to go there to carry their food, barbecue, that kind of stuff. So we want to bring some of those items there. So we carry burgers, hot dogs, things that people can grab and go.
Right.
And we decided to kind of go into more of like a dining experience as well. So we have high-end meals like steak, oven roasted chicken, salmon. So we kind of tried to diversify the menu.
And
Okay,
leaving Kingston, that quick question. I mean, this is just more. Leaving Kingston to get to you, about how long you think?
From Papine up to us, it's about an hour.
It was an
Yeah,
hour.
that's moderate driving. It's about an hour.
Okay,
Yeah.
all right,
Yeah.
cool. That's fine.
So we're not that far.
I was going to say, not when I drive. It's like 25. I'm joking. So, what are your most popular, tell us some of your most popular meals, like some of the fan favorites. If you
Okay,
like.
people really like our burgers.
Yeah.
It's all homemade, handcrafted burgers. People rave about that, and
Yeah.
mainly our burgers, yeah.
All right.
Beef burgers.
Yeah, beef burgers.
Yeah.
We have vegan
Stop looking
options.
down at me.
No, I'm not
Looking
looking
down on me.
We have vegan options, but mainly our burgers. People tend to come up there for.
No, this is my question. Sorry. Let's go on to the drinks.
Okay.
The drinking part of the thing. So I believe you're going to prepare for us a nice, refreshing beverage. Beverage. Talk to us. Talk us through what you're gonna do.
All right. Well, this is one of our new drinks. We've been kind of experimenting with it slightly, and we're going to release
slightly.
it. We're going to release it soon. It's our Blue Mountain Sunset.
Okay.
But
right.
that's the name of the drink.
That's the name of the drink.
So when you go up to Blue Brew Bistro, ask
I'm going to
for
make a
the
mess.
Blue Mountain Sunsets.
Blue Mountain Sunset. Yes, it's
right.
made from a special tea. It's called a butterfly pea tea.
Butterfly PT.
Yeah. So it has a very specific characteristic about it. So it's blue.
Right? Mm-hmm. So
Are
what's that
any
that
of-
you're adding right now?
This
Yeah.
is the tea.
This is the tea.
That's
Right.
the tea. So it's blue. So
you
when you
make it
brew it,
yourself?
it's actually
Right.
Do you guys brew it yourself?
yeah.
So has it been fermented so long that it's now of an alcoholic nature?
No, you can add alcohol to
You
it.
can add it's
Okay.
just tea.
So it's a tea,
Right.
It's a
You
tea.
can have
Right.
it hot or cold.
hot or cold. Yes. So as you can see, it has like a blue characteristic
Yes,
about it.
right.
You know, there's some really good health benefits to it as well.
Okay.
For
Where do you
skin.
find the plant?
Oh well, it's all imported. I mean, it's you can find it in the States mainly.
Right.
It's out of East Asia. So,
Okay.
but there's something very special about this drink that a lot of people don't really know. I'm gonna make you do it. All right. So, what happened? You know that it's blue,
Right.
So this is lemon juice.
First of all,
is lemon
this is so
juice.
cute.
Yeah, it's lemon juice,
Yeah.
right?
Right.
So if you
How
One-
much should you put in?
you can
have
put
a
a
heavy
moderate
hand,
amount.
I've
You have a
been
heavy
told.
hand. All right. So keep adding it.
Ba-da, ba-da. It's not blue.
Yeah. So we'll call it Blue Mountain Sunset.
It's not blue anymore.
all You added everything.
You're making it sour now.
I don't mind. Sour never hurt. No. Anyway.
All right.
I was sweet, you go and sour you. Radam! And this is what you're adding now?
It's elderberry.
Elderberry.
Oh,
Yeah.
and it smells amazing.
Yes.
Yes, snap.
No.
So it's a
Stickiness
very
is not my thing.
so this is something new again. I'm gonna give you so you can mix it to kind of mix in the flavors,
Okay.
right? But it turns it purple,
Right.
as you can see, and you can give it a taste.
So I may have put too much lime.
So
is what
this
you're
is in
saying.
it. So
Maybe.
So
You can taste
what's
it.
it made of again?
Butterfly PT,
Butterfly PT. You added lemon juice.
yeah,
And the
and the elderberry,
This is really good.
with some ice.
yeah,
And
ice.
that's it.
Yeah, so that will help
there.
you beat the summer.
How is it? How? Wow.
I'll make some for you. I'll make
Yeah,
some for you.
please. Yeah. I mean, come on, man. Come on.
But she used all the
not-
lemon juice.
See, I use the best. It's really good.
No. Where's it? This is a lemon bottle.
Yeah,
Now what do you say? We're Jamaicans. We don't often.
Just squeeze, just shake it. Yeah, see
That's
that?
almost-
Bada.
and you can add the elderberry to it.
And
So,
some of the
elderfruit.
health benefits. What are some of the-
It's good for your skin, and it's a very strong antioxidant.
And that's the tea.
That's the
And
tea
see,
itself.
so if you can, I mean, yeah, you can see the color differentiation. The blue
So you can sip on
Let's
the
move to the-
backdrop. See the backdrop.
right there.
See our lighting is
and what's it
matching.
called again?
We're calling it Blue Mountain Sunset.
Blue Mountain Sunset.
And it hasn't
Yeah.
dropped just yet.
No, we're
That's
going to
dropping
release it next week.
next week. So
Your
you're
social
premiering it
media
here.
handles.
Yeah,
Thank
yes, I can.
you.
Can I have your social media handles because
Sure,
you know,
it's
persons would love
at
to-
Blue Brews Bistro on Instagram.
Say it one more time. Blue Bruce Bistro.
Blue Brews
Blue
Bistro.
Blue Brew Bistro.
Brews
Bistro.
Yeah.
Blue Brews Bistro.
Bistro.
Yes.
And the drink is called
Blue Mountain.
Blue
Sunset.
Mountain Sunset.
Lot
It
of
is
beef.
lovely.
Yeah, it's a lot of beef.
Yeah, yeah. It's a marketing dream.
Hold on.
This
You
is
talk
so
about the
refreshing.
Bap.
You see, because I had all the lime.
The lime
It's
to it.
really, really good.
Bap,
Jovan,
bap, bap, bap,
thank
bap.
you so much. What's your personal Instagram account?
Oh, it's JDM Joe. JDM_Joe.
All right. So we're coming.
Jovan, thanks for stopping by. And thank you guys for watching.
Always do that. You always do that, you know. And I'm just trying. Anyway. Yes, guys, please remember to check on your loved ones to support each other as a community. Thank you so much for tuning in. Sanique and Craig will be back tomorrow with much more.